Welcome to Papa's Kitchen.
Quickies.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Chop your broccoli. Thinly slice your beef. Broccoli. Beef. Oyster sauce, sherry, soy sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, garlic powder, ginger powder, sugar, pepper. Mix it well. Add beef to marinade. Make sure all the beef is coated. Cover and marinate for 30 minutes at least. On medium-high heat, add oil and broccoli. Cook 6 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove your broccoli. Add more oil. Add beef and marinade. Stirring often. Cook for 5 minutes. Add broccoli. Stir it well, mix it up real good. Remove your beef and broccoli. And don't forget that delicious sauce. Beef and broccoli. Thanks for watching. Make this dish on its own or put it on a pizza. Check the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.